China is apparently developing a digital currency to thwart the US dollar trap and help the world. This article, I read this article and I was like, let me find out about this digital currency. Because obviously you and I have traveled to China and we have seen how everything is digital. You can barely use the cash. I mean, you can use the cash, but when we were there, we were encouraged to start up WeChat so we could have electronic payments because everybody wanted it. All the cabs and everything is all tied into your WeChat. So it's obvious that they're way ahead as far as the adoption or moving towards cashless. But then I'm reading the article and I'm like, oh, this is kind of a very patriotic piece about how the U.S. dollar is entrapping the world and how China's new digital currency can save countries feeling like developing nations that don't have bank accounts. And anyway, it just felt like a sort of a promotional piece. I'm just saying, I just read through it, felt like a promotional piece. But from a tech perspective, it does seem interesting because China has this tremendous capacity to roll something out to, well, billion people with the snap of the fingers. They just go, oh, this is the way you're banking now. This is the way you're paying now. And then it seems to take off.
I guess that's how we do it.
I guess that's it, right? Like, and so it could sort of increase the attention around digital currencies, cryptocurrencies, things like this. Now, the whole appeal or the major appeal, a significant portion of the appeal of digital currencies or cryptocurrencies specifically is the idea of them being decentralized, the idea of no foreign power, no central bank governing any aspect of that particular currency. Yeah. And so I'm not sure about the global adoption idea of people holding funds in Chinese digital currency.
Right.
In fact, I'm so uncertain of it that our next story kind of highlights some of that.